Have you ever shot out of bed at 3 a.m. with a leg cramp so intense you thought your calf might snap in two? If so, you're not alone, and a missing nutrient in your body could be the real culprit. Hi there, I'm Harold Hal Kimura, host of Aging Boldly for Ubi Health. I'm one of the AI faces of Ubi's global network of over 1,200 medical providers, and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to various issues around aging and wellness. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. So today, let's shine a light on something that's been hiding in plain sight. 3 essential nutrients that may help stop leg cramps and actually rebuild strength in your lower body. No prescriptions needed. Let's rewind a bit. Back in the 80s, I was an early riser, always up before sunrise to start my routine. But now, I often hear from folks my age that they're waking up in the middle of the night, not from alarms, but from leg cramps. One guy I spoke with, Earl, 72, a retired electrician, told me he hadn't slept through the night in months due to painful calf spasms. As it turns out, like many older adults, Earl was significantly low in magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals when it comes to muscle health. It helps your muscles relax by working in balance with calcium. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can stay partially contracted, even when you're sleeping. That's a recipe for a 3 a.m. wake-up call. A large study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that seniors with low magnesium experience nighttime leg cramps 7 times more often than those with healthy levels. After starting 400 milligrams daily of magnesium citrate, Earl's cramps were reduced by over 80% in just a month. He also said his legs didn't feel like lead pipes anymore during his morning walks. Now, magnesium is powerful, but so is vitamin D. You've probably heard it's essential for bone health, but it also plays a major role in muscle strength and nerve communication. Here's something I still remember from med school style reading back when I started working in health technology. Muscles have vitamin D receptors, like tiny keyholes, and without enough D, the key never turns. That means muscles can't contract or relax properly. Seniors with blood levels of vitamin D under 30 nanograms per milliliter were shown to experience cramps nearly 3 times more often. The fix? Sunlight and supplements. But as we get older, our skin produces less vitamin D. Supplementing with 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, taken with a meal that includes healthy fat like avocado or nuts, can make a world of difference. And here's the wild card most folks are missing: vitamin B12. This is what I like to call the electrician's vitamin. Why? It's essential for maintaining the insulation on your nerves, allowing proper signals from brain to muscle. If your nerves misfire, cramps and weakness can follow fast. Around 40% of adults over 60 have B12 levels low enough to interfere with nerve function, often without knowing it. And unfortunately, our ability to absorb B12 from food declines with age. Sublingual methylcobalamin, just 1,000 micrograms a day, can often restore nerve and muscle function in as little as 6 to 8 weeks. Now I'm all for nutrients, but I also believe in habits. Simple movements that help your body make the most of the vitamins you take. Something as basic as what's called eccentric loading, lowering yourself slowly into a chair, can quickly build strength in your legs. Just 5 repetitions 3 times a day can make a noticeable difference within weeks. And timing matters too. The ideal time for muscle activity? Between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. That's when your muscles are most responsive, according to fascinating research out of Harvard. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're experiencing leg cramps, muscle weakness, or even just a bit of shakiness on the stairs, it could be more than just getting older. It may be a signal that your body is running low on the very building blocks it needs to function properly. Want to know where to start? I recommend checking your symptoms using Ubi Health's AI symptom checker at ubihealth.com. It's medical grade, doctor approved intelligence that gives you helpful, reliable answers in minutes. It's like having a full medical team right in your pocket, and it's always 100% free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more doctor approved info you can trust from Ubi Health. Until next time, this is Harold Hal Kimura reminding you, growing older isn't about slowing down, it's about getting smarter about your health. See you next time.